Hello, dear students. Um, Today, when I woke up in the morning, the clouds were already singing, as I think it was about to rain. They were singing for me. It is now the sentence we have used here is personification. Now, what is personification? Personification is a very important figure of speech with exam point of view. Definition of personification is when we give a human emotion to a non-human entity, then that figure of speech is called personification. Let us do it in a easier way. जब भी ना हम कोई नॉन ह्यूमन एंटिटी होती है, जैसे कि क्लाउड्स हो गए, पेन हो गया, पेंसिल हो गया, ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया, एनिमल्स हो गए, डॉग हो गया, कैट हो गया, ठीक है। जब भी हम इन इन चीजों को ह्यूमन इमोशंस, जो जो भी चीज जो ह्यूमन नहीं है but emotions human, like I am singing, I can sing, I am a human, I can sing. But when it comes to a dog, or when it comes to a cat, or when it comes to a cloud, it cannot sing. Then that figure of speech is called personification. In the starting we talked about singing of clouds. अभी clouds sing करेंगे तो क्या होगा? बारिश होगी. बारिश होगी तो the rain will come, and the raindrops will be dancing on the floor. Now the raindrops will dance on the floor. This dancing, a human can only dance, but here the raindrops are dancing. So it is personified. Now one more example of personification is about my dog. Yesterday when I was giving him food, he told me that he want to have something delicious, and I gave him some vegetables. We had a great argument, and finally he denied to eat those vegetables. Now this whole extract, it contains so many personification that he denied, he argued. Dog is not he. Dog is not human. The dog is an entity which is non-human. But he is showing me the emotions that he was telling me, that he was arguing with me, that he denied. And these show the personified version of the dog, of the emotions. So this is the example of personification. Now, first of all, an example from treasure chest. The example is from the elevator. The example is the elevator shuddered when it uh, each time it left a floor as if it was exhausted. Now, what is personified? The elevator is personifying an emotion of being exhausted. Now, your next example is from Crisp. The story name is There Will Come Soft Rains. And the example is at 10 o'clock, the house began to die. Now, dying is a phenomenon that a house can't do. And here we personifies the house to do something that it cannot do. It's dying.